See that mirror right there? I got this bird that fights himself in the mirror. And I've been trying to get pictures of this fucker out. He just hopped down to get some more seed. Lousy fucking camera. Windshield's dirty too, evidently. But there's this bird, it's one of these male birds gets up there and fights itself in the mirror. And I've been trying to get pictures of this fucker doing it. Every time I get pictures of him doing it, he stops it and disappears. And this is the best I've gotten so far. They knock a lot of seed out of the bird feeder. They found that they can do that. Yeah, the little fucker ain't coming back. Those are my tulips sitting there. They're coming up. They started coming up about a month ago. Been snowed on, froze on. Just totally abused every way you can think of. And it's supposed to be about 76 degrees today. Be nice if that fucking bird would come back. Because I think it's something to fucking film. Wish I had a better fucking camera. So just sitting here, waiting for this little spotted towhee motherfucker to come back up and start fighting in the fucking mirror again. There he is. Just a quick, brief fight with the mirror, then disappears, and oh, there he's back again. Be nice if I had a better camera, but this is the best I can get. Alright, you little fucker, there he is. He'll be back in a bit. He comes back and just beats the hell out of that mirror. But that's the sort of thing that goes on up here. They've flown off again. Good. nothing like laying there taking a nap and hear this noise outside going, what the fuck is that? See, that's where that mirror is from me. Out over there in the yard. It's getting green. Got the kayak back over there next to the dart. Worms are coming out on the tree. Trees are all being nice and still like they should be. Had a windstorm yesterday. Well, that goofy damn bird ain't back. But that's the sort of shit that goes on up here. Birds fighting, mirrors, and I got a lot of birds. Okay, enough of that shit.